guys. So as you can see, I got already a little bit of a tan. I'm still on Koh Phangan. It's an amazing island, so much beautiful nature. Can't hear it right now, but usually this place is going wild with like animals making so many noises. And you know, I feel for me personally, there's nothing better than living in a space where you're surrounded by nature. You know, I sleep so much deeper, I feel, and I'm even waking up so much easier than if I have to, I don't know, if I'm so much isolated, if it's so artificial and disconnected. So yeah, it's wonderful to spend time in nature, and this island of Koh Phangan, it's like just amazing. They have such an amazing food, and I don't mean like only tasty, you know, Thai food, which is super tasty. I mean especially also they have so many vegan restaurants with a lot of raw foods, you know, that it's very difficult to find in Germany. There are places in the larger cities, especially in Berlin. Usually they tend to be very expensive, except in Berlin maybe. But otherwise it's hard to get by. Here it's so plenty. You have so many amazing vegan restaurants with such a variety of raw, you know, food, juices, smoothies, detox food, salads. It's just amazing. It's a paradise, and it's so cheap. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking of coming back here at some point. I don't know when, maybe, I don't know. Right now, today, we're heading off to Koh Tao, which is another island here. Hi guys, so you can see I am at the beach again. This is beautiful Koh Tao. Tao means turtle, so this is a turtle island of Thailand. Why? I haven't yet found out. I mean, I can guess why, but I haven't seen any turtles yet. It's a beautiful, amazing place. I mean, this beauty, guys. What can you say? It seems to be like a party going on right here. I'm not gonna hang out there. We had some party yesterday because we checked out the full moon party just for fun. It's really crazy. We didn't stay there for too long. This is 360 bar with the best view in Thailand. Koh Phangan. Yeah guys, so basically we are from nature into the psytrance party last night, now back into nature. This is where I feel best. I keep you guys updated. This week what we're gonna do is we do some diving and a lot more yoga for sure, exploring this island, maybe go up there to the mountains, and yes, so much to do here. I also plan to get some work done, but it's just so much more fun to do it in a place like this than in an office in the cold and dark. Okay, so guys, I'll keep you posted very soon, and until then, I wish you all the best. Bye.